2025 is here, and it's already shaping up to be an exciting year for smartphone enthusiasts. Leading the charge is Samsung with its much-anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. This flagship device is set to launch alongside the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models this January. While it may not completely reinvent the wheel, it brings some thoughtful updates that build on the success of the S24 Ultra. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from confirmed features to the biggest leaks. So, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about durability. The Galaxy S25 Ultra debuts the second generation of Gorilla Glass armor. This upgrade brings even better scratch resistance and improved anti-reflective properties, giving Samsung a slight edge over its competitors. It's exclusive to Samsung devices for now and should make the Ultra tougher than ever. Next, we've got an impressive upgrade to the display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a peak brightness of 3000 nits. That's a 400 nit boost from its predecessor, making outdoor visibility a breeze. While the 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel remains the same in size and quality, the thinner bezels create an illusion of a larger display. It's not revolutionary, but it's definitely a step forward in usability. Samsung is finally introducing Android's Seamless Updates feature. This means you can download and install updates in the background without waiting for your phone to reboot. It's a small quality of life improvement, but one that's bound to make a big difference for users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra also gets a subtle but meaningful design tweak. The flat sides and rounded corners improve the in-hand feel, while the titanium-coated frame and grippy finish from the S24 Ultra carry over. It's all about refinement here. However, the camera design remains a bit of a mystery. Early leaks suggest a slightly different layout compared to initial renders. We'll have to wait and see the final look. Speaking of cameras, the S25 Ultra's system is largely similar to its predecessor, featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor. But there's a potential upgrade to the ultra-wide camera, bumping it to a 50-megapixel sensor. This could mean better detail and performance in wide-angle shots. Powering all of this is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising improved image processing and HDR performance. Samsung knows how to keep things sharp and vibrant. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra launches with Android 15 and One UI 7. Expect refreshed design elements, dynamic notifications, and new AI-powered features. Plus, Samsung has committed to an industry-leading 7 years of software support, making this phone a long-term investment. Now, let's talk about what the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't have. Unfortunately, it still lacks the ability to track the device when it's powered off or has a dead battery, something both Apple and Google already offer. And while the phone has a built-in car crash sensor, the feature remains inactive, waiting for a software update that hasn't arrived yet. Battery life is solid with the same 5,000 mAh capacity as the S24 Ultra, offering over a day of casual use. Charging is unchanged at 45 watts wired, but wireless charging could see a slight boost with the new Qi 2 standard, supporting up to 25 watts. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, but it's all about refining what already works. With its improved durability, brighter display, and long-term software support, it's shaping up to be a solid choice for anyone looking for a premium flagship in 2025. Sure, it's missing a few features like powered-off tracking, but it strikes a great balance between refinement and reliability. What do you think about the S25 Ultra? Are these updates enough to justify an upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.